spending the night with me.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button below. Become part of Cooper. Who's Cooper? Well, Cooper is you guys, subscribers. That's what I decided to call you guys, just because calling you guys subscribers felt a little, I don't know, just impersonal. So you are Cooper. So whenever I say, hey Cooper, what's going on? Or hey Cooper, check this out, I'm talking to all of you. So Cooper, what we got going on in this video today is, if you've noticed, I've got all this piping right here that I still got to work on. I still got to put the air intake back in. What else? Oh, the intercooler piping. So if you look down here, I've got the intercooler piping in for the most part, but we ran into an issue, and that issue is when I bought the Mishimoto radiator, I didn't take into account that it is a thicker core, and because it is a thicker core, it actually now interferes with the intercooler piping. Ugh, sorry. So what I did was, I brought more intercooler piping. Now that will help. Maybe I can redirect the intercooler piping a little to make it fit and make it work. But again, part of the issue is, of course, the car's in the sun and it's hard to see. Part of the issue is, there you go, right there. As you can see where that intercooler pipe is, it's literally being damn, my watch too big. It's literally interfering. This bracket right here is interfering, and this part right here is the radiator bracket, and it's just not going to work. So I have to fabricate something to make that all work. And as you guys can see, obviously I got the motor in and things like that. We got that in a couple videos ago. But I'm still waiting for, sorry. Whew. Anyway, I'm still waiting for the O2 housing and the downpipe, because I did bring it to MPH to have the O2 housing, basically a dump pipe added. So that's what I wanted to do. So I'm still waiting on that. I dropped that off like 3 weeks ago, believe it or not. So, and Mike's so busy that he hasn't even gotten to it yet. So I'm gonna figure out which route I'm going to take with the piping, and then we'll get started cutting and things like that. Fortunately, that kit came with a lot of stuff. I'll show you in a little bit. Alright Cooper, so I think I figured out a way, like how I'm going to do this, but I've got to shave something first. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. No, it's not. It's just nerve-wracking as shit.
Spending the night with me.
Alright, let me show you exactly what I'm shaving here. So, okay, yeah, perfect. I'm actually going to shave this whole bracket off, and as well as this piece right here. And what the goal is to make sure that the piping actually has room to actually fit the way I want it to fit. So that's what I'm doing, just in case you were wondering. Alright guys, I figured out how to, how I'm going to do this intercooler piping, but it requires the cutting of that Mishimoto pipe, and I got to use this black pipe right here and things like that, so this is going to be fun. Don't try this at home. Alright, so check out the progress. As you can see, that pipe is suspended all by itself. Magic. No, that's not the case. Actually, what I did was, again, as you guys saw, I was cutting this pipe right here, and then obviously took one of the silicone couplers, and here you go, connected to that black pipe. Now I have to actually cut the black pipe somewhere up there, because where's that pipe at? Where is that pipe at? Not a crack pipe. Oh, right here. So, this pipe, which also has the sensor, I need to actually cut probably around here, and then it needs to be connected to that black pipe somehow. Meanwhile, then this goes on here, and we should be able to make everything fit now. Hopefully. This has been fun. So I'll let you know what that looks like in a few minutes. This is a pain in the ass. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm trying to just determine where I need to cut here on the silver pipe, and then where exactly I need to cut. Let's see, this is the silver pipe. Where I need to cut on the black pipe there, to make sure that this all fits properly. Fabrication on the fly. Learning. So what's interesting is the amount that I cut off of the other pipe, the silver pipe, is the same amount I got to cut off at the top of this pipe. So let's do this. You know what I keep forgetting to do? Plug this up. Idiot. Alright, Coop, so what I was doing here was basically just marking along the lines. What's going on, Noah? Can I have an orange? Well, where's my orange? You put it in your mouth and chewed it. Oh, can I have it? Come give me an orange. Careful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You eat it?
That is delicious.
You eat it?
Yes, I ate it.
it?
Yeah, I eat it.
Oh.
Oh? That's our little guy, hopefully. Yeah, we're working on adopting him, so it's an awesome thing. Gets on my nerves sometimes though. Oh well. If you're gonna do something like this at home, make sure you definitely grind down the edges there to get all the the metal burrs out, and then I'm actually gonna rinse this out so I get all of them out. Now I gotta cut that silver pipe once I find it, and then we should, hopefully this should all fit. I pray that it all fits. Please, Jesus. So, good thing about this intercooler piping kit by RDT Motoring, I don't know who that is. It came with an abundance of couplers, obviously brand new, which is great. So I'm going to use these and hopefully get this all buttoned up. I'll show you the result when I'm done though. Yeah, you're just going to have to wait.
Little girl, always picking a fight with me. You know that I'm bad, but you're spending the night with me.
Alright guys, so I was able to actually get the intercooler piping set up exactly the way I want it. So it's all set. It's bolted up here. It's bolted up down here. Down here. I think I did a better job than when I first had it on. I need to get another one of these for the top for here. But so far, so good. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section about it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I throw the front bumper back on? I'm thinking I should. Right now, before I end this video. That's what we're gonna do. So just give me a second. Alright, everything obviously has to be difficult. These bumpers are a pain in the butt to put back on sometimes, but let me know what you guys think about this video. We should be starting up hopefully soon. Again, I'm just waiting for the O2 housing and my downpipe back, so that way we can put everything back together, get fluids in the car. What else? I need two more vacuum lines, and I think that's about it. So again, let me know what you guys think about this video. If you guys are new to the channel, thank you for becoming a part of Cooper. I appreciate it. We just went over 500 Coopers subs, so thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys for always coming back and checking me out. And again, if you're new, thanks for checking me out and subscribing. So again, if you're new and haven't hit that subscribe button to become part of Cooper, you should do it. So until next time, like, share, comment, subscribe, and you know what I tell you, make no limitation your only limitation. 500. Peace.